Okay guys, here is the dress, and it's a pretty silver, and it's going to have blue feathers and blue stones. So now I'm going to start putting the stones everywhere, guys, and the feathers I have to order them. So I don't know when I get them, but when they come in, feathers is going to go around the bottom and feathers is going to go up around the top, and the stones is going to go throughout the dress. Alrighty guys. Alright, so you guys can see I'm starting to put the stones on the dress, so it's a process, but just keeping y'all updated. Bye bye guys. So I wasn't able to find blue feathers, so I'm actually taking some blue dye and putting it in between here, and hopefully I get the look I'm looking for. Bye bye. So this is what it looked like after I have dyed it with the blue dye, and now I just need to get more feathers. So remember, feathers is going to go up here, feathers is going to go down the arm, and feathers is going to go around down the bottom. But you guys see, I only put the stones like on the front so far. I'm kind of showing you guys what the stones look like. So bye bye. Okay guys, the dress is not finished. I still have to go pick up feathers and different things like that, but I just need to clear up space in my phone. I have to load these so I can get to the next step, guys. So I wanted to kind of show you so far what the dress is like. So when I get it all done, I'll bring you guys back again. And these are some pictures that I kind of got inspired to make this dress. So coming up, look at those. So this is the one that really inspired me, this one right here, to make this dress. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless, guys. Bye-bye, and stay safe.